Hey Jordan, can you go sledding on a bouncy house?
Okay, so it's the middle of the summer and we're just getting around to this comment. So there's no more snow. So instead of going sledding, we find the next best thing is to go down a river in the bouncy castle. So, bouncy castle river rafting. Okay, so the air mattress pumps were going really slow.
We are making
So
history right here.
yeah, we're using a leaf blower to blow this castle up. Matt,
Hi, Matt.
how you feeling today?
I'm scared.
Scared? Why?
Well, the water's fast and it's high. Somebody told me that somebody died.
Yeah.
See another castle?
Some of you may be thinking, hey, is this a bad idea? Maybe, but we're gonna do this because you commented. We do it for the comments. Well,
We're more tangled now.
That's okay, we're taking the scenic route.
look!
Oh, my knee!
Oh! Okay, Derek, how you doing?
Well, I hate to say it, but I think I'm gonna donate to charity when I get home.
Cool, Payton, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
I'm taking a Twinkie break. That's Matt, he's still paranoid.
Oh shoot!
He refuses to.
There's big one. Big one. Oh, we got a hole.
You got a home?
I think we popped it on that log. We're starting to sink. This is not a good idea. I repeat, this is not a good idea. Oh shoot! Quick, Payton, quick! Let's hop in. Tie down your camera. Okay, quick, Payton. Quick.
Who brought out the lotion?
Quick update. Everyone else is gone, so the rest of the Twinkies are mine and Payton's. I mean, we're half underwater, but we got Twinkies, so. Jack! Jack, I'm so cold.
I forgot the quote. I'm sorry.
This is the part where you die.
I'll never let go. I promise.
At this point in the video, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more random stuff like this every Thursday.
Look at my body. Look, just point it towards the water.
Okay, quick update. Castle's down. Ducks down. Payton wet.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't make it all the way down the river. We're gonna have to come up with plan B. Hey guys, thanks so much again for watching the video. Make sure to comment your thoughts and ideas below. I read every single comment. Also make sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and ding the bell for notifications. Did you ding it? How about now?